Hello everyone. Today got some boxes, a box of 2 Predators and 1/4 scale Freddy Krueger. I'm going to open them up, see how they look. Pretty excited for this Freddy. First time I seen him was on Horror and Me's channel, on one of his toy hauls. He actually goes out and looks at toys. We don't have any places around here to go shopping really, so I just get everything online. I like watching his videos. Yep, go check him out, I'll put his link down below. It's pretty heavy here. Big box. Alright. Oh, that looks cool. Closer here. Looks like a door. Oh, and I got it taped. Let me untape it. There we go. Tape there. Awesome. Cool, you see his face at the door. Open it up. Big Freddy. Glare there. I'll go ahead and take him out of the box.
He'll let out of the box for sure. That looks cool in there though. Easily get him out of here. Come on out, Freddy. There we go. He's coming. There he is. We got bandage in here good. Everyone knows pretty much bondage. What was that? He's gonna escape or something. Man. I don't know why they gotta put this many ties on figure. I'll definitely speed this up. Get it free, Freddy! Get it free! Don't worry. That is ridiculous. I think he's gonna escape or something. Well, easy now. Get free, Freddy! Get free! Alright! Put his hand there. The interchangeable hands. Let's keep this one on. Here. Really good looking face on him. Check that out. Looks good. Hand back on. So it stands. Just won't get a chain good. Next, put her head and hand out. Alright. That was more work than it should have been. That's plastic on his hand. It's alright that they protect our little parts, but man. Oh, overkill on a lot of times. Cool.
Alright. It is his hat. Full joints in his hands. Good articulation. Pretty sturdy. legs moved around a little bit. There we go. Really, things like ratchety. Yeah, that's cool. Where's his hat go? There's his hat. Yeah. Cool figure. Really nice. Sweater looks good. His pants. All his points of articulation look good. Really cool figure. I like that. It's pretty good size. See how he looks next to Jason here. This is the 18-inch Jason. That is perfect size. I'll set them up like they're fighting. That's awesome. Cool. Definitely recommend picking one of these up. Really nice. It looks better than I thought he would actually. Once you get him a stand, it's pretty stable. His feet move. That's cool. Awesome head. There's the alternative head sculpt. It's definitely cool. Alternative hand you put on. I like the glove myself. Yeah, he looks pretty pissed off. Cool figure. Alright, let's get into the other box. Some Predators. I'm really enjoying the new Predators that they're coming out with. I'm sure these will be no different. Okay, first one. Number 2, City Hunter. It's actually the first time seeing him in person. He looks cool. Quite a few different hands, accessories. Got an alternative head you can put on. You see that up there in the corner. I think I still like the new, that's it, Concrete Jungle Predator. That's this one here. I just got this one last week. Really cool one. Like his weapon. I open all my Predators so they can breathe. I like getting out and breathing. I like this one because it's belt buckle. There, and a skull, and a shoulder. That's awesome. I like that. This new one's going to look good when I get him out of the box too. Pull the main part out. Let's do that. Good look at him. He's too hard to see in there. There we go. This is a City Hunter. He's got little trophies. That's awesome. I like that one. Let's see what the other one was. Spike tail. This one's cool. And that. Spike tail Predator. Yeah, he's cool. Ultimate Alien Hunter. Let's try him open. Get a better picture of him. Alright. That's pretty cool. Well, that's it that I got for today. Definitely like the Predators, but my favorite thing is the Freddy. Definitely gonna give him a good home. It's awesome. Well, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that junk. Talk to you later.